Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm Carla and this is my channel, Beauty with a Hammer. Now today I have a great DIY project for you guys. We are going to be making a DIY coat hanger, yes. Now I am going to show you in the simplest way how to create this coat hanger. As you guys know, sorry about that, that's my rooster over there. But as you guys know, anything I create with wood on my channel, it's the first time I'm creating. And so however it turns out, I don't know. We're gonna get through this together. We'll see what the end product is. But without further ado, let's grab our tools and let's jump right in. All right, y'all. So you're gonna need a couple of things. You're gonna need 2 power tools, a handsaw, and a drill bit. You're gonna need a piece of wood. Now this is a random piece of wood that I had laying around and I'm gonna be using it to create this project. You're gonna need a measuring tape, a square, a pencil to make your markings. Now these little hooks I did buy off of Amazon. It came for, I believe I bought 12 of these hooks for about $9. And so it does have the little screws that we'll be using to screw these right onto the wood. And so that's pretty much all that you need. Once you have all of your supplies gathered, we'll be ready to start. All right, guys, so the first step is to determine how long you want your board to be. For me, I think in the amount of space that I have in the entryway where I do want to place this, I'm going to be cutting my board at 2 feet, which gives me enough room to place about 3 of these hanging hooks about 6 inches apart. So I'm going to go ahead and measure out 2 feet on my board and make a mark. Taking my measuring tape, I'm going to measure out 2 feet and make markings on each side. The next thing you want to do to make sure that you have straight lines is take a square and line it up to where you made the markings. And then draw a line straight down. Okay. Once you have your line down, you want to go ahead and take your measuring tape, measure it out and make sure that it is measuring exactly what you want. Okay, so we're measuring exactly at 2 feet. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to cut my piece of wood. All right, guys, now it's my favorite time, power tool time. I love using power tools because I am a 4'11". I am fun size, okay? I come in a little small package, and so anytime I get to use power tools, I feel super powerful. And so today I'm going to be using 2 clamps to hold down my wood in place and cut along the line that we've already pre-measured. Don't forget some safety glasses when you are using power tools to protect those beautiful eyes. You got to keep those eyes nice and protected because, you know, you got to be looking glam. All right, let's... So I have my board here. Now it already has kind of a stain on it, and so at this point what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and distress this side of the wood, and I think I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of a stain, add a little bit more color and character to the wood. So my favorite part. All right, guys, so this next part is totally optional, but I always enjoy distressing anything that I create with wood. And so literally just take a hammer, a nail to create some character on it, and just start hitting it anywhere you want to create character. This is looking really good, y'all. Okay, so go ahead and take a stain. It's in the color English chestnut. Don't forget to put on gloves to protect your beautiful hands. Taking this old rag, I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in the stain and begin to stain the wood. Now, like I said, this step is totally optional. You can even paint this wood if you wanted to, whatever color that you want to. Pick any stain that you want, anything that will match your house. But I really think that anytime you distress your wood and you give it character, when you stain it, it just makes that character just pop even more, which is what I like. So Simple as that. I have finished staining. I put one coat. As you guys can see, the different details from the distressing. And so I'm gonna let this dry and then we're gonna put on the hooks. All right, guys, so what I've done already is I've already pre-measured where I'm gonna be placing these hooks. Like I said, on a 2-foot board, so I've already gone and measured to make sure where I wanna place these hooks. So as you guys can see, this is where I have my measurements. I've already kind of taken a little pencil and drawn here where they're gonna go. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my power tool and drill these babies in. You want the hooks facing up, so make sure that you do take that into account, that they're all facing the same direction, because the last thing you wanna do is finish your project and they're facing all kinds of crazy directions, okay? So taking your power tool and the screws that it comes with, I'm gonna go ahead and drill these into place. You guys up close, I wanted to show you how I put in all 4 little screws in there, and it looks so good, y'all. I am already like super excited at how this project is turning out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for the next 2 hooks, and I will show you what the end result looks like. Isn't this easy? It's so much fun. All right, guys, I am so excited to show you what the final product looks like. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. Okay, here it is. Isn't this so cute? I love it. Like literally, you could go to Target right now and buy something like this and be spending some good hard-earned cash. But look, with some scrap wood I had laying around, I bought these off of Amazon, 12 for $9. I mean, how cute is this, guys? This is such a cute little project that anyone can do, really. I mean, this project was so easy to do. I encourage you, if you need something like this in your entryway, or you are, just want to create something with your own bare hands, and this is definitely the project to start off with, okay? And I hope that you guys have the courage to be able to create something like this of your own. If you do decide to create something, leave me a message down below. I want to know, if I'm inspiring y'all to get out there and use your tools, use your power tools. I am small, but I am mighty, and especially when you give me a power tool. Okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of my video. I had so much fun making this video for you guys. I love getting some power tools in my hand. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every Thursday for you guys, so don't forget to keep coming back. On another note, if you haven't heard so already, I just wanted to tell you that you are beautiful and you are created for a purpose. You have value in your life. The fact that you woke up today with breath in your lungs, guys, means that God is not done with you. All right, guys, I love you guys. Have a great day, rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.